For years, the Philips Hue ecosystem gave you a choice: simple, single-color light strips or premium, high-cost gradient light strip. The Hue Flux fundamentally changes this. This is right here what Philips calls the standard reimagined. And I've been testing it for a week now to find out if it lives up to that tagline. In this video, I'll unbox the Flux, break down exactly how its technology works, compare it with the older Philips Hue Solo light strip, and give you my honest verdict. Before we even open the box, let's talk about why the Flux exists. Philips Hue is essentially killing off two products with one strip. On one side, you had the Lightstrip Plus and Solo, affordable but limited without gradient effects. They could only display one color at a time. And if you wanted gradient effects, you had to upgrade to the expensive Gradient Lightstrip series. The Flux changes all of that. It brings full gradient lighting with multiple simultaneous colors. And here's the kicker: premium features at a mainstream price. Essentially, Philips took what made their basic light strips great and made it the new baseline. One strip to rule them all. Alright, let's see what Philips gives us. I've got the 3-meter version here. Packaging is classic Hue, clean, informative. Inside the box, the Flux light strip itself, neatly coiled. Power supply unit with the appropriate regional plug. Quick start guides and safety documentation. First thing you notice handling this, build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Philips Hue. Premium materials and evenly spaced LEDs. There's a silicone coating protecting the LEDs that makes it feel robust and gives it some flex without feeling cheap. The Flux strip is noticeably more refined than older Lightstrip Solo models, with better light diffusion and improved consistency across the entire length. Dimensions are compact, just 14.5 millimeters wide and 6 millimeters thick. That's slim enough to fit into standard aluminium profiles. The LED spacing is now just 2.75 centimeters, that's half the distance, for a much smoother wash. Cut points every 16.6 centimeters instead of 33.3. The strip comes pre-cut to length options and is extendable, just like other Hue light strips, making it flexible for desks, shelves, TVs, or under-cabinet lighting. Philips Hue Flux Lightstrip comes in 3 different lengths: 3 meters, 5 meters, and 10 meters. 3 meters delivers up to 1,200 lumens, consumes 12 watts of power, and is priced at £59.99 UK price. 5 meters offers a higher maximum brightness of 2,000 lumens, uses 20 watts, and costs £84.99. 10 meters, also capped at 2,000 lumens with 20 watts of power consumption, but at a higher price point of £159.99, reflecting the extended length rather than increased brightness. Overall, brightness increases from 3 meters to 5 meters, but does not increase further at 10 meters, indicating that longer strips focus on coverage rather than additional light output, with pricing scaling primarily by length. The Flux isn't the only new strip. It's part of a complete portfolio revamp. Let me quickly show you where each product sits. At entry level, you have the Hue Essential. Simple Argibic for decorative effects, non-extendable, budget-friendly. Then there's the Flux. That's our focus today. It's positioned as the all-rounder for versatile, indirect gradient lighting. It's cuttable, extendable, and reusable. Transparent silicone sleeve with visible LEDs, concealed for wall washing effect. For serious brightness, you've got the Flux Ultra Bright, up to 6,000 lumens on the 10-meter version. It also has transparent silicone sleeve with visible LEDs. That's for ceiling coves and architectural washes where the strip is the primary light source. Then there's the Omni Glow. It has matte silicone sleeve, no visible LEDs like other two, for uniform display of light. It's visible for direct light, concealed for wall washing effect. Let's put Philips Hue Lightstrip Solo and Hue Flux side by side across key performance, design, and pricing. Gradient capability. Lightstrip Plus and Solo does not support gradients and displays a single color at a time, while Hue Flux do support gradient lighting. Maximum brightness. Lightstrip Plus and Solo reaches around 1700 lumens and Hue Flux from 1200 lumens up to 2000 lumens, making it the brightest of both for 5 meters and 10 meters. LED spacing. Hue Flux Lightstrip has LED spacing of 2.75 centimeters, resulting in the smoothest light output, while Lightstrip Plus and Solo is much more spaced out at 5.5 centimeters, which can lead to more hotspots. Cut interval. Lightstrip Plus and Solo can only be cut every 33 centimeters and Hue Flux every 16.6 centimeters, offering a good balance between flexibility and simplicity. Reusing cut pieces. Hue Flux allows cut segments to be reused when paired with connectors. Both Lightstrip Plus and Solo do not support reusing cut sections, although there are third-party accessories available in market. Price comparison. Lightstrip Plus and Solo is about £59 for 2 meters, with extensions costing £20 per meter. Hue Flux with 3-meter kit priced at £59, offering strong value for brightness and features. Overall, Hue Flux as a middle ground upgrade, combining gradient lighting, the highest brightness with 5 and 10 meter versions, reusable cut sections, and more competitive pricing, while clearly outperforming the older Lightstrip Plus and Solo. Alright, let's get this Lightstrip set up. Flux Lightstrip can be set up via Bluetooth or Philips Hue bridge. To use this Lightstrip to its full potential, you need a Philips Hue bridge because it connects via Zigbee and can then be exposed to other smart home platforms like Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and many more, and other Matter-compatible smart home systems. For the purpose of this video, I will connect this Flux Lightstrip to Hue bridge with Philips Hue app. Before you start, make sure your bridge and Hue app are up to date, so the app recognizes this newer generation button. First, plug the Lightstrip into a power outlet and turn it on. As soon as it powers up, the Lightstrip will briefly cycle through all colors. Once it's ready to pair, it will switch to a warm white color. At this point, the Lightstrip is ready for pairing. Now, open the Philips Hue app on your phone. Make sure your bridge is connected and showing as online. Then, tap on Settings on bottom right in the navigation menu. Then, tap Devices. Tap the blue plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. The app will ask you which room or zone you want the Flux Lightstrip to install. Select the room where you'll be using it. The easiest way to add the Lightstrip is to scan the QR code on the box or the back of the device. For the purpose of this video, I will go with no QR code option. Tap on No QR code button, then tap Next. Tap on Lights and Smart Plugs card. In this screen, it's confirming device is connected to power outlet and turned on. Tap Next. Now app will start searching the Lightstrip to pair. Lightstrip is found successfully by the app. Now tap Next. Now tap Next on success screen. Now you can change the name of your Lightstrip and change icon. Then tap Next. Now the Lightstrip is ready to use. You can choose scenes from the Hue scene gallery. There are many scene categories available, such as working and studying, gaming, reading, cozy, daylight, winter whisper, refreshing, vibrant, and many more. When you select scenes with gradient colors, the Hue Flux displays a mix of colors across different segments, creating beautiful gradient lighting effects. When scenes are used with multiple lights in a room or zone in Hue app, they create stunning effects across all the lights, resulting in a beautiful and vibrant atmosphere. Select any scene you like and then tap Next. Now you can add the Lightstrip to single or multiple zone. Drag the Lightstrip card to zone you want to add. Once Lightstrip is added to zone, there will be blue border on the Lightstrip card. Then tap Next. Flux Lightstrip is successfully paired with Hue Bridge. Then tap Done. Now navigate to the room or zone where you added the light strip, then navigate to the Flux Lightstrip. Here you can see a circular color wheel to control the Flux Lightstrip gradient. Each color marker on the wheel represents a segment of the light strip. You can drag these color pickers around the wheel to choose different colors. As you move a segment, the color updates in real time. The light strip smoothly blends between colors. You can create multi-color gradient effects. Now, tap on the effects icon. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-built lighting effects designed to create different moods and atmospheres. The effects are grouped into categories such as flames, including candle and fireplace effects for a warm, cozy glow. Sparkly effects like glisten that add shimmering, animated highlights. Each effect tile shows a live preview, so you can easily see how the lighting will look before selecting it. To apply an effect, simply tap on any effect. The Flux Lightstrip updates instantly with that animation. You can switch between effects at any time. You also have the option to create your own custom effects by tapping the plus button, giving you even more control over colors and motion. This makes it easy to set a relaxing ambience, add dynamic decorative lighting, customize your space with just a few taps. I've placed the Flux Lightstrip behind the sofa, where it creates vibrant, colorful gradient effects that glow beautifully across the wall. The smooth color transitions add depth and ambience to the space, instantly enhancing the overall atmosphere of the room. Alright, verdict time. Should you buy the Philips Hue Flux? Buy the Hue Flux if you have invested in the Philips Hue ecosystem and want to add gradient lighting. You're starting a new project requiring flexible, indirect lighting behind a TV, under cabinets, along bookcases. Reliability, color accuracy, and ecosystem stability matter more than the lowest price. You want a versatile all-rounder that replaces older single-color strips. Consider an alternative if you need extreme brightness for primary room lighting. Choose the Flux Ultra Bright. You're on a tight budget and don't need gradient or extendability. Check the Hue Essential. Your primary goal is multi-sided TV backlighting, the dedicated play gradient. Lightstrip remains superior bottom line. The Philips Hue Flux successfully democratizes gradient lighting. It's a powerful, flexible, and high-value evolution that rightfully earns its place as the new default light strip for most Philips Hue users. Are you upgrading to the Flux Lightstrip or considering Flux Lightstrip for new project? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. If this review helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home content. I'll be covering the Flux Ultra Bright and the Omni Glow in upcoming videos, so hit the notification bell to catch those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.